In this video, we will discuss profile and profile view labeling. If you'd like to follow on with this video, please open the file 0805 profile and profile view labeling.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. There are many profile and profile view labeling tools to better communicate your design. First, let's look at the beginning station label, and I will select it, and let's say I want to pull this away and drag it, so I can pick on this part here and drag this to either location. I also want to actually override the default text that says grade break, and I want it to say begin project 1. So I will go to the edit label text command in the ribbon. I need to pick the specific part of the label as it does contain 2 lines, and I want the PVI S, which is the station. I'll delete grade break. Again, this is simply a text editor, and I'll type in begin project 1 and enter. Click OK. And now, just like that, I've overridden that text, creating a standard project note. I'll press Escape to clear my selection set. Now let's go ahead and look at labeling the profile itself. So I'll select the profile, and then in the Labels panel, I'll select Edit Profile Labels. And as of right now, these are the labels that exist in this profile, and these are the styles that they're using. Let's say I want to add in the horizontal geometry. I can change the type to horizontal geometry points, select the style that's already in my drawing, and click on Add. You are then prompted as to which points you would like to add for labeling. In this case, I don't want the curve midpoint, and I don't need the alignment beginning or end, as those will be defined by the grade break labels. I'll click OK, click OK again, and just like that, I now have the PC and PT labels reading from the horizontal alignment. If the horizontal alignment changes, these labels will update automatically, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and add a profile view label. So I'll select my profile again, go to the Add View Labels dropdown, and choose Station Elevation. So let's say I wanted to actually add a station elevation at a specific point here in my profile view. I'll pick my profile view, because that's what the command line is prompting me for. And then I need to define a profile view station elevation. So I'll pick along here, and let's say I want the same exact point for my elevation. And just like that, I have a profile view station elevation label. Well, what makes Civil3d really cool regarding labeling is that all labels are dynamic. So if I copy this label, I'm just running the simple copy command, this will update automatically no matter where I put this label. You can also select these labels and drag them as well, and also change them to a drag state if you need to. Let's look at the last label type, which is a depth label. So I'll select my profile, and then select Add View Labels and select Depth. Again, it's prompting me for a profile view to select, so I will go ahead and select that. And let's say I want to see the elevation difference between this profile, the proposed, and the existing ground. So I'm going to go ahead and snap to the endpoint of this line here. Then I'll acquire this point, and I'll go straight up until I find the intersection. And just like that, I now have a depth label that will also act dynamically if I change it. Again, really cool dynamic functionality. This concludes this video discussing profile and profile view labeling.